Hello everyone, so today's video is going to be a collab video with a handful of some other YouTubers here, and I think a few that actually don't have a YouTube, but I will have their pictures at the end of this video and post it on my Instagram, so be sure to go check that out. All of their videos will be linked in the description as well as my Instagram. And yeah, we are doing a fun mermaid look. I decided to do a take on kind of like what I would see myself mermaid wise. So I absolutely love black, kind of gothic-ish, but I love color as well. So I kind of tried to incorporate that all together. I do want to apologize for the little thing you see on the screen where it says Power Director, but I'm using my boyfriend's phone, and you got to pay for the subscription, and I ain't paying for it on two separate phones. So anyway, yeah, thanks to my boyfriend for letting me use his phone to record this because I had so much other videos on my phone that I needed to edit. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely go check out all the other girls. Their looks came out so fun. Thanks Caitlin for letting me be at this collab, and I hope you guys enjoy.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm